Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make restaurant quality garlic butter scallops. They are so easy to make, absolutely delicious. We're going to get started by patting dry our scallops. Make sure they're nice and dry, okay? That's what's going to give them that beautiful sear. So pat them dry. Now I'm going to drizzle a little bit of oil on there. Mix it, and then I'm going in with the seasoning. The seasoning is very light. You don't need that much seasoning. I'm using a little bit of salt and pepper and a little bit of Old Bay, not too much, okay? Not too much. Just sprinkle it all over the scallops, just like this. Now the scallop is nicely seasoned. We're going to pan sear it. Now to pan sear it, I'm going to drizzle a little bit of oil to my high heat cast iron. Then I'm going to carefully place them right in there. Now we're going to cook these for about 2 minutes per side, okay? How you're gonna know it's done is when they're easily able to flip over without tugging and pulling, okay? So place them right there. And after 2 minutes, I'll flip them over. All right, guys, it's time to flip it over. As you can see, beautiful sear. These tend to cook very fast, so you have to make sure you watch them as they cook. Flip them over. All right, once you flip it over, you're going in with your butter. I'm using 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. I'm going in with my minced garlic. Going to fry that for a little bit. Once you start smelling the garlic, it's time for you to add in your fresh parsley. Ooh, it smells so good. Fresh parsley on top. And I'm going in with my lemon right in there. Oops. Like this. And there you go. It is ready to go. Smells so good. And now you're ready to dive in. Garlic butter scallops. Let's try these scallops. Delicious. Wow. The little hint of the Old Bay. So good. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoy. Please be sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Also, comment down below if you're going to try these out. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.